Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to be putting together a garden moth ornament kit. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our prism to the bottom of our moth. So we're going to do that by using a jump ring here. So you can see where it's slit right there. So we're just going to put a pair of pliers on either side of that jump ring, and we're just going to gently open that up. And we're going to go ahead and attach the prism, and then we're going to attach the moth, and then we're going to put the pliers back on the other side, and then we're just going to gently close this by working it back and forth until it matches up perfectly with the other side. And then we're going to take our wire here and our pliers, round nose pliers, and we're gonna put our pliers right there, giving us about, say, an inch. And we're gonna bend that so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And we're gonna put the pliers right at the top of that, and we're gonna loop that around, making a little loop. And then I'm gonna hold my pliers right here at the top, and I'm just gonna coil this around a few times. Cut off the excess wire, and then I'm going to string onto the wire my coin, and then I'm going to take my pliers, put them right back here, bend it away, and put my pliers in the bend right there, and bend that around, making a little loop. And then I'm going to attach my moth to that loop right there. And then I'm just gonna hold the loop, and I'm just gonna coil this around a few times so it's nice and tight. And then I'm gonna just cut off the excess wire. And then to hang it, we're going to attach this bit of jute at the top. So I'm just going to string this right through my loop. Make sure that it's even on both sides. I'm going to put a knot here. And then I'm going to put a knot at the top. And then my ornament is ready to be hung on the tree. Thanks so much for watching, and the kit can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.